How to enable noise cancellation in Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable noise cancellation in Android. So this is not applicable in all devices. So just navigate your settings, click settings, and search accessibility in your settings. Mine is special function. That's why I click special function and click accessibility. And once you're in there, just find noise cancellation and turn it on. In my device, it is not available. That's why I cannot turn it on. Like I said, it's not applicable in all device. So once you see noise cancellation here, just enable it and you're ready to go.